anyone else ever had any sparkly, arty ideas? Let's find out.
Many years ago, there was a tribe of people called the Maya. They built cities filled with beautiful buildings and palaces.
Oh dear, what am I going to do? The king will be so angry if I don't follow his orders. I want my palace to sparkle in the sun.
But there was one big problem. Sparkly paint had not been invented. Then, all of a sudden, the builder had a brilliant idea.
Eureka! Mica!
He discovered that if a glittery rock called mica was crushed into tiny pieces, it could be mixed with a type of paint and brushed onto the front of the buildings to make them sparkle in the sun. So, when the sun shone on the mica, it sparkled in the sun.
Abracamica! The king should be very happy. I'm very happy. Everyone will want a sparkly palace just like mine. I like the mica.
Wow, fantastic. What a sparkling success.